My name is Sahil. He is Adnan. He is Harshit. We are from 6th Skill Masters. Today we are presenting a conversation about IPL betting.
Hi Sahil, what are you doing here?
Hi Adnan. Nothing, just talking about IPL.
Yeah, it's IPL season and everyone is excited.
Did you watch yesterday's match? What a six by Dhoni, yaar.
Yes, it was awesome. I love watching IPL with my family.
You know, my uncle said we can make money by guessing which team wins. He said it is called betting. Sounds cool, right?
What? Sahil, that's not cool. That's illegal. Kids like us shouldn't even think about it.
But my uncle said people earn lots of money. Maybe I can try once.
What? One of my friends lost 50,000 rupees. This betting is very dangerous.
Oh no, I don't know. It could be that serious. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, children. Today let's talk about something serious, IPL betting.
Sir, Sahil wants to try his luck in IPL betting.
Is it? Children, IPL betting is very dangerous and illegal. People lose lots of money and fall into them. Worse, some even get into crime.
I don't know. It was so dangerous. I am glad I did not try.
Good choice, Sahil. IPL should be fun and fair play, not gambling. If anyone ever offer you money to predict matches, walk away and tell an adult. Say no to betting, say yes to fair play. Be a fan, not a gambler.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sangamitra.
My name is Umasri. My name is Tanvika.
We are from 6th Skill Masters. Today we are going to talk about something very special. What makes a school a happy place? I feel school is not just about books and exams. It's a place where we learn, laugh and grow every day.
Yes, and a school truly becomes happy when we have caring teachers, good friends, fun playground and interesting ways to learn.
Let's start with teachers. A good teacher is like a guide. They help us when we are confused and make learning exciting. Absolutely, when teachers smile, encourage us and don't scold us for small mistakes, we feel safe and happy to ask questions.
Right, next are friends. Without friends, school would be so boring. Friends support us, play with us and also share their tiffins sometimes.
Haha, yes, friends make even difficult days easier. Just one hi or good job from a friend can cheer us up. Now comes the playground, my favorite part. Running, jumping or playing Coco keeps us active and stress-free.
Exactly. Physical play helps us stay healthy and also improve teamwork. That's why school should give enough time to play.
And don't forget the way we learn. If classes are only about memorizing, it becomes boring. But when we do activities, play games and work on projects, we enjoy learning. Yes, our science teacher once showed us an experiment with magnets and our social science teacher showed us a globe. We still remember those lessons.
Learning should be fun, not fearful. Then school becomes a place we are excited to come every morning.
So, what makes a school a happy place? It's not just the building, it's the people and the experiences. When teachers are kind, friends are supportive, learning is fun, and we get time to play. That's a happy school.
Let's all help make our schools happier for everyone, because a happy school builds a happy future.
Thank you. Have a great day.